Did you know that you can use cardboard for a weed barrier? Let's do it. There you go. Hey. So this is how you just go ahead and lay it down. I'm gonna add on some bricks just to keep it down, and in the next video, hopefully we'll have our raised bed started. So the next step is to water it. I added on this bookcase that I had outside for the garden anyways, so I just added that as like a little barrier or whatever, because I'm thinking probably like from right there to right here, but I'm probably gonna do it over there too. But yeah, I'm about to water this thing down. Let's go. I probably should turn it over, huh? Okay, let's do it. Y'all, I really hope that this works. If not, hey, we experiment, right? So, still did your time. But while we out here, we might as well water our pineapple here. And then over here, so I haven't showed y'all guys in a while, at least my YouTube family. So this is some butternut squash, and we have some bell peppers over there too. And my jackfruit tree. Show it some love. And back here we have banana trees. They are doing absolutely amazing back here. Now, I was thinking about doing a raised bed over here as well. So, hey, listen, we vibing. We're gonna do it all over the place. These little ones are sprouting up so big. Look at that, y'all. It's just so amazing. They started small. I was given these by a friend of mine, and listen, they were small. It's crazy. I don't know the exact name of this one, but we always call it the elephant plant. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's one that my grandmother had, and yeah, now that she has transitioned, it is really sprouting over here. My yard man actually had cut it down, like to nothing, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's gone now. But listen, it's beautiful. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I will be up with you guys again with some more updates on the garden and the raised bed. I think I might go to Home Depot or Lowe's today to actually get the bricks. So if I do, hey, another video. So I hope you guys love this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to be more interactive with my audience, more interactive with my community. I love y'all so much, and don't forget, stay hungry. Let's go.